What's going on, guys? I'm here at Kentucky Kingdom Theme Water Park as we're about to show you the entering of Snow Zone here for Christmas at Kentucky Kingdom. As I'm going to show you around what it looks like here. As you can see, here's Blizzard Bluff. There's another walkway to come in here too as well, with a snowflake. As you get your picture taken here too as well.
I wanted the cannabis for Christmas. Oh yeah, the cannabis will do. The crocodiles, the rhinoceroses.
There's Blizzard Bluff, the snow tipping in. Let's see if we get somebody coming down.
Just for you. Thanks for that Christmas spirit right there. That was beautiful.
There we go.
What you got for us, Jay?
Here is Mount Flurry.
Oh yeah.
Here's where kids and adults can play in the snow too as well here. Here's Jingle Keys on the soundstage.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Go ahead, Jay.
Don't forget to get some Dippin' Dots too here as well when you're visiting this snow village. And here is, you can rent these out too as well. This is a snow globe village where you can rent these out in igloos as well. You can either purchase them here or you can go online at www.kentuckykingdom.com. But if you purchase it online, you can use your season, if you have a season pass, you get a discount. Here you get your Hurricane Hattie's, you can get your snacks, you can get s'mores, hot cocoa, popcorn. And then you have your fire pits too as well, guys. Don't forget, you also have your Christmas games here too as well. How are you? Doing good. Vlogging in here. And here you go. You got your Christmas games going on here. There you guys. How much it costs for you guys. So come out and have fun. Trees lit up here. This location is in here in the water park. Listen, you can have fun here too as well. You play in the snow.
I love this, man. That's the highest Christmas spirit I have ever seen right there. Keep us going, Jay.
Have a holly jolly
You got your jingle keys.
It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, so have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and as you walk down the street, say
Overall, it looks really, really good this year.
everyone you
I recommend coming out here, guys. You have until January 3rd. Right now, they're only selected on weekends here, Friday, Saturday, Sundays. But then during the midweek, they'll be open Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I believe. But there's Blizzard Bluff. There's your inner tube for Blizzard Bluff too as well, guys. Well, that's it. Let's go.